Hey, what's up, guys? Big D Dad behind the camera here, and the winter storm, Anya, I believe they say it was, has officially hit Ohio. We are under a 4 to 7 inches of snow, and this is the start of it. That quick, ground's already covering up. So I'll update more, but this is the start of it, as you can see. 1 second here, let me flip this around. That quick, it's already covering within 30 minutes, maybe, something like that. 30, 40 minutes, or less, probably less. But more updates later. If you're in Ohio, be careful out there driving.